Let me know if you like these Chit Chat Get Ready With Me's because I absolutely love them. They're easy to edit, they're easy to film. Give me a thumbs up if you like them. Hey, what's up y'all? It's me, Jennie here. So today I am doing another Chit Chat Get Ready With Me. As you can tell from the title, I am just really feeling these Chit Chats Get Ready With Me. So today, I guess I'm just going to try like a bronzy red look. I have a whole bunch of products in front of me. It's not going to be anything special. Like as you guys can tell, my makeup is very simple. And yeah, so let's get started. I forgot to put on my primer, so give me 1 second. I gotta go get my primer. I normally would take off my makeup as soon as I'm done filming, but today me and Ender and Kyler are going out. It's well, not a special day, but it's family day for us. Ender works Monday to Friday, typical 9 to 5 job, and so he really doesn't spend much time with Kyler, so on the weekends we like to go out, and I figured today I will just keep my makeup on, so my makeup does have to look decent. So a few weeks ago, Ender said to me, "Hey Jennie, I found something on Netflix that we can watch." So, background story on this is when Kyler goes to bed, after Ender and I do all the chores that we have to do around the house to prepare for the next morning, we still have about maybe an hour or two of Jennie and Ender time. And usually we'll watch TV, we'll snuggle up on the couch, we'll watch TV. And lately, we have been getting into reality TV shows. And we're normally not reality TV show fans. So I find it really weird that we're into it. But hey, you know what? Such is life. We're into it. And we started watching Love is Blind. Okay, comment down below if you guys know what I'm talking about. When this video goes up, this season or like the finale will have aired, right? So we know which couples decided to get married and which couples didn't. Now, Ender and I, a few days ago, we finished the series. We didn't watch the whole series, like completely. We did fast forward some bits because some of it was honestly quite boring, but we did enjoy it overall. So if you guys know what I'm talking about, if you don't know what I'm talking about, like it's a reality TV show. They say it's an experiment, and they want to know if you really truly love somebody, it should come from within, and it shouldn't be like surface area. And so it's like an experiment where couples, they fall in love, but they don't meet each other. They talk to each other through like a wall. They have no idea what each other looks like. They're not allowed to say what they look like, from my understanding. And they fall in love. Then they finally get to meet. They get engaged. And then, you go through like the trials and tribulations of being a couple. So they live together, they meet each other's families, they go through the stress of planning a wedding because they're engaged. They have to get married within like 30 something days. And if you make it to the altar, if you make the 30 days, like you've passed the test of living together and you've passed the test of the stress of planning a wedding, and you make it to the altar, then you can state whether or not you want to marry that person at the altar. Okay, so when they say, do you take so-and-so to be your lawfully wedded husband, you can either say yes or no, and vice versa. When you don't have your cell phone and all you're doing is focusing on finding, oh, you guys can see me in the frame, good. And all you're doing is focusing on finding your love, and you're not being like bombarded with like outside distractions, it's like the psychology is interesting, because then when you finally integrate yourself into real life, it's like, do you still love that person? Do you And then you have like friends who are like, or family members who are like, are you sure this is what you want to do? You've never met this person. You proposed before you even met them in real life. Like, are you sure that this is what you want? I just want to say though, kudos to all the couples. I'm just trying to open my brow powder. Kudos to all the couples that made it or didn't make it, because that show is not an easy thing to do. To have the pressure of like trying to find out whether you're going to marry someone and give your life away within 30 days, like that's not easy. And clearly like people are there to find love. So to not get blinded with the fact that you really want to find love, but like to still have standards, that's what I'm saying. You know, standards are very important. I would know standards are really important when you try to find your life partner. So kudos to every single couple and everybody watching this, whether you didn't make it or you made it, I still hope you find love. This week has been extremely stressful for me. And it's because Kyler is now 1, and at 1 year old, you have to start doing big boy things, such as you have to start drinking water. I guess that's not a big boy thing, but that's a very important thing. And he has to transition from the bottle to the sippy cup. Now, besides the fact Kyler doesn't like sleeping, he's a pretty good baby. I had no problem feeding him. He eats anything and everything. Because he's now 1, I have been trying to transition him to drink water instead of formula, because I switched him to normal milk, and to drink out of his sippy cup. I know it's been a week, but it's been so stressful because Kyler really likes his milk. He's not interested in drinking anything else unless if it's like a white creamy liquid, and he's not drinking out of anything else unless if it comes from his bottle. And I've been so stressed out about it. Ender's like, Jennie, it's been a week, like relax, it's no big deal, right? He'll get there. And I'm like, he has to get there soon. He switched to homogenized milk, and if he doesn't start drinking his water, he's going to be constipated. And then do you know the kind of stress that is? Like, I'm stressed now, but could you imagine if he's constipated, he has to drink water? Oh gosh. But the problem is Kyler is now mobile. He knows how to crawl real fast. And Kyler also, I find, is the kind of baby, I don't know if this is all babies, but he really doesn't take crap from anybody. I think he gets that from me. Anyways, he sees me coming to him with the sippy cup with milk in it. So I'm doing a slow transition. And he crawls away like his life depended on it. You should see how fast this kid crawls. So needless to say, I am on my wit's end and I really don't know what to do. I am trying every single piece of advice that every single mom has given me, and I mean, I haven't tried them all. It's only been a week, but if you have any advice how to switch your kid from bottle to sippy cup and from formula to only water, please comment down below. I'll take any feedback at this point. I need to put on my eyeliner, so I will be right back. So I ended up getting carried away. I figured since I was down there putting on my eyeliner, I will also put on my mascara. Now I'm putting on my trusty bronzer. You guys don't need to know what this is because I pull it out every single time I do a Chit Chat Get Ready with me, and I'm not about to change it. Besides the fact that I have been trying to get my son to drink out of a regular cup or a sippy cup, this week has been tiring. And I think it's because with Kyler's birthday going on and extracurricular activities happening and baby programs and swimming lessons, I am just so very tired. I just I feel like I'm burnt out, and it's because this week, minus like filming and editing videos, I really didn't have any time for myself, and I've been tired. Like, let's get real here. It is tiring. I'm just using a MAC bronzer on top of my other bronzer because I just wanted to see what that's like. And yes, everyone is like, oh, well then take time for yourself. Well, it's very difficult to take time for yourself. It is. I have household to maintain. I still have duties as a wife, as a mother. I'm pretty much like Kyler's taxi driver, so I got to take him to all his programs, and I just don't have any time for myself. So I'm gonna put it out there that this week I will finally have time for myself, and don't mind that alarm in the background. It sounds like an ambulance, and wherever they're going, I hope that person's okay. So this is the final look. I just put on a basic red lip liner and a soft red lipstick by MAC, which is in Hot Tahiti. Anyways, I will leave it here. I can see my memory card is running out, so I better sign off. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at Kiss Jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jennie with an IE. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click on my face right here. Or if you want to watch my last video, click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.